Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning, sir.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Thank you for asking. I'm fine too. Okay, before we start our session today, let's reciting Basmalah together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, I will check your attendance first. Alvin Aditya Kurniawan. Muhammad Jabir Ridwan.
Present, sir.
Okay, I see that everyone is present today. Give applause to we are. Okay, because this is the last meeting, I want a mini game. I will give you a mini game. I want you to guess what is the emotion they show in this picture. Okay, the first one.
Happy.
Okay, that's correct. It's happy because you can see the smile. The second one. Sad, because you can see in the eye she has a tear. Okay, next one.
Angry.
Okay, because you can see the fire in the head. The last one. Scary, shock. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, give applause to you. Okay, before we talk into the material, I have a question to you. It's a true question. The first question is, when you have a promise with someone or with yourself, and sometimes it's break, what is your feeling? Hurt. Anyone? Disappointing. Sad. Okay, that's correct. The second question is, when your own country or your hometown, do you have a unique landmark like a lake, river, mountain, or something that have a magical story about behind it? Did anyone help? Because I see much magical story in this area in Salatiga. Maybe in Ambarawa, if you know. Rawapeneng, that's correct, Rawapeneng. Rawapeneng is a story that tell about Perplinting, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Before we jump into our material today, I have you to guess something. I will write seven maybe 5 word. You might guess what is material that we're gonna learn. The first one is fish. The second one is promise. The third one is love. The fourth one is scared. And the last one is late. Can you guess what is the folklore we're gonna learn today? From this word, maybe about fish, about the promise, about love, about the scared, about lake. Okay, that's correct. We're gonna learn about the legend of Atobali. Okay. I will give you can someone please help me to read this text or this story about the legend of Cokbelek? Okay, Hafa, can you read it?
The Legend of Cokbelek. Once upon a time, there was a young farmer named Cokbelek. He lived alone in a small valley. One day, he went fishing in the river and caught a big golden fish. To his surprise, the fish suddenly turned into a beautiful woman. Cokbelek fell in love and married her. However, she had one strict condition. Cokbelek must never tell anyone that she was once a fish. Cokbelek promised. Years passed, and they had a lazy son named Samasir. One afternoon, Samasir ate his father's lunch. Cokbelek was very angry. He promptly forgot his promise and shouted, "You are a lazy boy. You are truly the son of a fish." Samasir cried and told his mother. The mother was deeply sad because Cokbelek broke his promise. Suddenly, the sky turned dark and heavy rain fell for days. A massive flood covered the valley and turned it into a big lake. The woman became a piece of pain and Cokbelek drowned. Today, people call it Cokbelek.
Okay, give applause to Hafa. From the text that Hafa read and you read by yourself, what is kind of type of this text, the Legend of Cokbelek? Can anyone guess what type of the text? It is a descriptive text or it is another text? Okay, that's correct. It's narrative karena di sini menggambarkan tentang urutan kejadian di masa lalu ya. Okay. Now we're gonna learn about a narrative text. Did you know what is the definition of the narrative text? No? Okay. Narrative text is the imaginative of the fictional story that tell a series or event that are chronological order. Jadi narrative text itu berdasarkan sesuatu yang kronologik atau berurutan. The story usually include a folklore, legend, fairy tale, myth, or a fable. Tujuannya adalah untuk agar pembaca to convey the moral value. Jadi untuk memberitahu pembaca tentang nilai moral atau moral value. In narrative text, we have a three generic structure. Did you know what is the three generic structure of a narrative text? Okay, that's correct. The first one is orientation, right? Okay, next one. What? Complication, that's correct. Okay, the last one. What is the generic structure of a narrative text? Resolution, that's correct. Okay, the first one is we have orientation, right? The orientation is tell about the opening of the story or the stage. The writer set the scene and introduce the background by answering a three main question. Jadi di sini pembuat itu ingin pembaca bisa mengetahui kira-kira background dari karakternya. Di sini ada tiga, yaitu pertama adalah what the character are, jadi siapa karakter itu, where the story take place, jadi di mana letak story itu berada, and the last one is when it happen atau kapan itu terjadi. Lalu di bagian complication sendiri, the problem, this is the core of the story, di mana di sini konflik itu dimulai. Lalu the last one, resolution, itu tepat di mana the end of the story where the problem is resolved or conclude. Jadi di sini adalah bagian di mana sebuah complication itu selesai atau kesimpulan dari ceritanya. Lalu di sini kita juga punya language feature. Di sini ada dua ya. Di sini menggunakan simple past tense. Ya kita tahu simple past tense is used to describe action or situation that start and finish in the past. Jadi sesuatu yang sudah berlalu di belakang. Di simple past tense itu sendiri ada dua, yaitu ada regular verb, yaitu verb yang biasanya berakhiran dengan ed or d. seperti live, breathe, walk, or promise. Lalu di nomor 2 ada irregular verb. Verb that completely change from the start of the base. Jadi dari base kata kerjanya itu berubah. Contohnya catch itu menjadi caught, eat itu menjadi ate, dan go itu menjadi went. Lalu the last when, simple past tense itu menggunakan to be juga. Dan untuk to be itu menggunakan was dan were. Was sendiri untuk I, he, she, dan it. Dan untuk were sendiri itu menggunakan you, they, dan we. Oke. Oh ya, sama satu lagi yang kelupaan adalah adverb of time. Adverb of time itu biasanya waktu kejadian itu terjadi. Biasanya seperti diceritain adalah once upon a time, dan termasuk dari adverb of time. Oke. Sekarang kita punya group project ya. Jadi satu kelas ini akan bersama-sama identify where is the orientation, the comprehension, the resolution, and the simple past tense and adverb of time. Jadi nanti kalian bersama-sama mengambil spidol di depan sini, lalu bergantian untuk mengisi. Kira-kira kalian mencari mana yang termasuk dalam simple past tense dan mana yang termasuk dalam adverb of time. Okay, anyone got it? Okay, I will give you 5 minutes, and all of you must participate in this group discussion. Okay? Okay, time is start. Okay, before we start, I will say orientation itu kalian harus warnai dengan warna kuning, communication dengan warna merah, resolution dengan warna hijau, simple past tense dengan warna biru, dan adverb of time itu dengan warna ungu. Okay, anyone correct? Anyone got it? Okay, you can start. Bisa mengambil satu-satu ya. Kira-kira mana yang termasuk dari gaya bahasa dan blending structure-nya. Ini ada saya sediakan. Untuk yang generic structure, kalian bisa tulis saja di bawahnya yang mana yang termasuk bagian ini, itu, dan yang lainnya. Untuk yang language visual, kalian bisa lingkarin mana yang termasuk. Oke, mungkin yang lain mau mencoba? Mas Adit mau mencoba? Okay, we have 2 minutes left. Okay, 1 minute left. Okay, thank you everyone. Give applause. Oke, dari pengerjaan yang sudah kalian lakukan di sini sudah diringarin ya. Yang pertama ada kuning ini untuk orientation. Oke, ini benar ya. Once upon a time, bla 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 bla, ini termasuk dalam orientation. Lalu the second one merah is communication. Ya, betul. coba fell in love and married her, bla 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 bla. Itu termasuk di complication atau awal mula masalah terjadi. The last one is resolution. Samusnya, nah ini belum dilingkarin ya, yang hijau nanti coba dilingkarin setelah ini. Karena di sini ada simple past tense, ada promise betul, face betul, shoulder betul. Oke, untuk effort of time-nya di sini ada one afternoon, suddenly, and today. Oke, give applause to we are. Okay, I will give you the alternative. Di sini we have a mysterious envelope, and I will give you dan saya di sini ingin kalian untuk merangkai ya, merangkai the puzzle here. I will give you 5 minutes to complete this task, and if you have a little trouble or confused about the task, please raise your hand and say what is the problem. Okay, you can complete it now. Okay, time enough. Maybe I will pick one group to come to the front of the class and listen what they found and what is the text that they made. Okay, this group, please go to the front of the class.
Suddenly, the cold weather turned into a violent storm. Lightning struck his ship, and the sea became turbulent. Malin realized his mistake and begged for forgiveness, but it was too late. His body slowly stiffened, and he turned into stone, kneeling on the shore as a permanent monument of his betrayal.
Okay, yang ini language bahasa yang ditemukan.
Using simple past tense, leave, decide, became, push, fell, and stiff. And also using adverb of time. Once upon a time, one day, years went by, and suddenly.
Okay, good. Everyone, give applause. Okay, I will ask you, what is we learn today? Okay, the first one is narrative text. Next. Okay, the generic structure. Orientation, obligation, resolution. Okay, about the language feature. Okay, that's correct. Using a simple past tense and okay, that's correct. Adverb of time. Okay, in narrative text, it's tell about a story yang dimana mengungkapkan moral value. Kira-kira dari bacaan The Legend of Terbalik, what is moral value that you found? Like we said in yang kita bicarakan di awal tadi, love, promise, lie, angry. Okay, that's correct. Don't lie, yes. Because the promise is very important because when your trust is broken, it's like a disaster. Seperti yang ada di cerita ini, karena sebuah janji yang tidak ditepati maka terjadilah sebuah bencana banjir. Mas Adit, kira-kira ada sama orang yang bisa disampaikan
Nah,
dari Legend of the Valley? Mungkin tentang pasangan antara
the story teach us that promise are binding. Breaking a promise can lead to irreversible and destructive consequences. Jadi jangan pernah mengingkari janji yang telah dibuat dan tentunya menghadirkan emosi.
Okay, that's correct. Jadi penting ya to control our emotion because when we are angry, it can break everything. Okay, the homework for you is making a comic strip from this story, The Legend of the Ballet, and you must to put a 3 picture. The first for the orientation, the second for the complication, and the last one for the resolution. And don't forget about the language-nya. Jadi menggunakan simple past tense dan juga adverb of time. Okay? Maybe that's all for today. And thank you for all your participants, for all your attendance, for all your enthusiasm. Okay, that's all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, before we end our session today, let's reciting Hamdalah